Dear student, we today start to discuss the topic human blood circulatory system. Human blood circulatory system consists of three components: the pumping organ heart, the flowing fluid is blood, and the distributing channel is the blood vessels. Here, first we discuss the important organ heart. Dear student, you know that human organ, human heart is situated in our chest region. It situated in between the two lungs and slightly towards the left hand side. It is a hollow muscular and somewhat conical in shape, very powerful organ. Heart is made up of a special type of tissue or the muscles that is called the cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles have an unique property to contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation is a natural tendency of cardiac muscles. Besides this, the fiber of cardiac muscles never fatty. Our heart is made up of four chambers. They are two upper chamber, that is called atrium, and two lower chamber, that is called ventricle. Both side of the atrium and ventricle are separated by a membrane that is called the septa. Or in other words, we can say that left hand side two compartment, left atrium and left ventricle are separated from the right atrium and right ventricle by a membrane that is called the septum. Same separation are found between the upper and lower compartment. The left atrium and left ventricle are separated by a membrane that is called arcioventricular septa. Both sides, in left side this is called left arcioventricular septa, and in right side it is called right arcioventricular septa. In both septum, left hand side and right hand side, they can possess wall. In right hand side, the wall is tricuspid, whereas in left hand side, the wall is bicuspid. Many opening inside the chamber also have the wall. Do you know what is the function of wall? Wall perform very unique function. It ensure the flow of blood only one direction, and externally the heart is wrapped with two membrane bounded structure. This is called pericardial membrane. In between the two membrane, the hollow space are filled with a liquid that is called pericardial fluid. Do you know what is the function of pericardial fluid? It protects the heart from mechanical injury jerk, shock, and also internally by the friction. Okay,